place that we used to go all the time.
Hey guys, so today's video is more so of a styling video rather than technique video, because I feel like everyone's been trying to do this hairstyle and it's really easy, quick, and simple, and I think it'll be really cute. So I was like, you know what, let's go ahead, try a video like this and show you guys how I do it. First step is you want to make sure you, well, start parting your part, and I'm just going to put my part here. Now to hold this down in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and use some mousse, smooth it out, and this is to help create the part. You can also use water if you want. Take your comb. Okay, so I want my part to be like a nice moon part, so I'm gonna go ahead and just start sculpting that. And I'm gonna actually take my stocking cap off because I feel like it's just so yellow. Let's take that. I'm gonna take my blow dryer and just flatten down this side until my hot comb is nice and ready. Well, it's not plugged in. This wig looks really cute with a side part. I actually really like it like this, but we're gonna go ahead and go forward with this original style that we had planned. Before I go into actually swooping it, I want to go ahead and just cut off the lace above the ear to make sure it swoops nice and easily when I'm trying to do a swoopy thing. We have this side perfectly aligned. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna get some rubber bands to hold the hair down in place where I want it to be. Kind of cold in here, I had to put on a sweater. I find that this style, first of all, this wig looks so good and I didn't even really do much to it. I'm gonna have to spray it down because I feel like it's just not gonna sit the way I want it to sit. Forget the hairline, we'll fix that afterwards. My main focus is just getting the part. Whatever lace is left out is what I will fix, okay? And then at this point, if you have any baby hair that you want to leave out, go ahead and just comb out a few. I'm just gonna use some mousse to hold that in place, and then we love a sideburn, so we're gonna go ahead. Oh, whoa, that's too much hair. Okay, so at this point, what I want to do is take the hair from the middle of my head to focus on this piece of hair right here. This hair, we're going to go ahead and just tuck into a ponytail. But make sure this part is smooth as well. And the reason why I'm not taking out too much hair from the sides is because I still want right here to fall this way. I don't want it to be like all this is pushed back and then we only have the middle part for here. I want back here to still be kind of full. Now this is the side we want it to be kind of full. I'm gonna get my hot comb. This little piece right here, make sure you just focus on combing that back. I'm gonna take a little bit of hairspray and I'm just gonna pretty much spray down any flyaways. Take your hand and just smooth it out. You want it to look like there's no hairspray on this, so I'm gonna add a little bit more just for the shine. And when you brush it out directly after, it takes out the hardness of it, so it won't feel like crunchy. Now I have some rubber bands right here. Now typically what you would do is you would just take this side and put it into a ponytail, but sometimes it's hard for me to grasp, so I'm gonna split this pretty much in two. When you take out the hair and cover it, it looks like exactly how we want it to look. So for this side, we want it to be a little bit in our face, like a side bang. So I'm gonna take hair from right here. We're gonna spray this so that when we swoop it, it stays like how we want it.